Hey, it's a little bit cooler out today than it was yesterday, but I heard something interesting. I was listening to a motivational talk by Steve Harvey. I'll try to put that in the comment section below. But it was talking about gratitude, which, has been one of the staples of this channel. And so I was thinking about all the different things to be grateful for. But he says, he said, remember all those bad times in your life? You have a 100% survival rate you have a 100% survival rate on those things. You're still alive. You're batting 1,000. And I just couldn't help but want to share that with people. Because, we do go through bad times. But, we can always be thankful that we're still here today and that we have the opportunity to do better, to think better, to be better. Anyway, God bless you guys. That's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.